How to download Google Drive on your PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily download Google Drive on your PC or laptop. So first just open up any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Google Drive for desktop download. So once you search in for that, you must select the first link, which is the official link, which will get you to download both Google Drive for Windows and Mac. So you can simply select for based on your operating system. So I'll select for Windows, and once it gets downloaded, you just have to wait for a few seconds until it gets downloaded and installed. So for installation process, you just have to double click on your .exe files or setup file. So once you land on this screen, you just have to click on install and wait for the installation to complete on your device. So once you do all of that, you will have successfully downloaded and installed Google Drive on your PC or laptop. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.